Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Restaurant Renegade channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial part of any restaurant night, closing out your day in TouchBistro. Now, closing time can feel like a frantic scramble, especially on busy nights. But with a smooth TouchBistro end-of-day routine, you can transform it into a victory lap, not a stress sprint. Think about it. A clean, accurate end-of-day process means clear financial records, happy accountants, and most importantly, peace of mind for you. So, grab your favorite post-shift beverage, and let's get started. Understanding the why, the power of a proper end-of-day. Before we jump into the steps, let's talk about why this matters. You might be thinking, isn't it enough to just shut down the system and call it a night? Well, not quite. Here's the deal. A proper end-of-day in TouchBistro ensures all your sales data gets recorded accurately. It helps you track inventory, identify trends, and generate reports that keep your restaurant running smoothly. Imagine this. You wake up the next morning, ready to analyze your sales, only to discover missing data or inconsistencies. Yikes! By taking a few extra minutes at night, you avoid those headaches and gain valuable insights for the future. The end-of-day checklist. Your guide to restaurant nightly nirvana. Alright, now for the fun part. Here's a step-by-step breakdown using the TouchBistro end-of-day checklist. Step 1. Accessing the end-of-day glory. First things first, you need to access the end-of-day function. There are two ways to do this, depending on your user role. For admins, it's a breeze. Simply tap Admin on your TouchBistro home screen, followed by Perform End-of-Day. For managers with special permissions, if you're a manager with Can Perform End-of-Day Reporting enabled in your staff settings, you can access it directly from the Options menu. Step 2. The all-important checklist. Now comes the magic, the end-of-day checklist. This is like your built-in safety net, ensuring everything is squared away before you close the day. Each item on the list comes with a green checkmark or a red X. Green means all is well. Red? It means there's something that needs attention. Here are some common red flag culprits. Open tabs or tables. Make sure all customer tabs and tables are closed. No lingering diners, please. Unclocked staff. Did everyone remember to clock out? This ensures accurate payroll tracking. You can even force clockouts for forgetful colleagues. Don't worry, they'll thank you later. Step 3. Conquering the red excess. Don't let those red excess intimidate you. Simply tap the View button next to the flagged item, and TouchBistro will guide you to resolve the issue. Easy peasy. Once everything is ticked green, feel free to tap Refresh to ensure the system reflects the updated information. Step 4. Generating your end-of-day report. The night's grand finale. With a checklist full of green checkmarks, you're ready to generate the grand prize, your end-of-day report. Click Generate, and watch your daily sales data come to life. This report is your golden ticket to financial clarity. Analyze sales by category, track trends, and identify areas for improvement. Step 5. Printing, emailing, or exporting your report your way. Now, what to do with this glorious report? TouchBistro gives you options. Print it out. A classic move for record keeping or sharing with the team. Email it. Perfect for sending to your accountant or keeping a digital copy. Export it to CSV. For those who love crunching numbers in Excel, this allows you to import your data for further analysis. Feeling a little nervous about closing the day for real? No worries. TouchBistro offers a preview end-of-day option. This lets you generate a sample report without actually closing the day. It's like a practice run, perfect for familiarizing.